A very good evening to you and welcome. Thank you for joining us at MRA TV Poko Poko News. My name is Kivumbi Najibuh. Let us have the news headlines. Ukrainian drone hits apartment building in southern Russia. A drone struck the roof of a residential building in the southern Russian city of Rostov-on-Don at 8 a.m. on 14th August 2025, injuring at least 13 people. According to the acting regional governor, Yuri Shiolesa, the blast occurred in the city near Voloshyovsky Avenue. On Independent Russian Telegram channel, they have published images of damage to the buildings, videos showing the fixed-wing drone crashing into the building. Yuri further said, emergency services and Rostov administration officials have been dispatched to the scene. Rostov-on-Don lies 230 kilometers from the front of Ukraine, as Russians force regular strikes using their drones amid Moscow's full-scale invasion. However, Ukraine has not commented on the alleged strike, hence no verification for the attack to the southern parts of Russia. That's it for today. My name is Kivumbi Najibuh at MRA TV Poko Poko News.